Your question is, which among the following is the correct expression of the term secular in India? Your options are A. India has many religions. B. Indians have religious freedom. C. Following the religion depends upon the will of an individual. Or D. There is no religion of the state in India. Right answer is D. There is no religion of the state in India. Your question is, all individuals are fully and equally human. This principle is known as. Your options are A. Universalism, B. Holism, C. Socialism, or D. Interactionism. Right answer is A. Universalism. Your question is, where have the words "We the people of India" been used in the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Directive principles, B. Fundamental rights, C. Citizenship, or D. Preamble to the Constitution. Right answer is D. Preamble of the Constitution. Your question is, India has people's sovereignty because the preamble of the Constitution begins with the words. Your options are A. Democratic India, B. Republic of People, C. Democracy of People, or D. We the people of India. Right answer is D. We the people of India. Your question is, India is a republic means. Your options are A. It is the people who are the final authority in all matters. B. There is no parliamentary system of government in India. C. There are no hereditary rulers in India. Or D. India is the union of states. Right answer is C. There are no hereditary rulers in India. Your question is, how many types of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity in that order have been mentioned in the preamble of Constitution of India? Your options are A. 3521, B. 1352, C. 2531, or D. 5213. Right answer is A. 3521. Your question is, the goal of Constitution is to secure or assure all its citizens: first, justice, social and economic; second, liberty of thought and expression; third, equality of opportunity; fourth, dignity of the individual. Choose the correct answer by using code. Your options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1, 2 and 3, C. 2, 3 and 4, or D. all above. Right answer is D. all above. First, justice, social and economic; second, liberty of thought and expression; third, equality of opportunity; fourth, dignity of the individual. Your question is, the word secular was inserted in the preamble of the Indian Constitution by. Your options are A. 25th Amendment, B. 42nd Amendment, C. 44th Amendment, or D. 52nd Amendment. Right answer is B. 42nd Amendment. Your question is, the words socialist and secular were inserted in the preamble to the Constitution by the. Your options are A. 41st Amendment, B. 42nd Amendment, C. 43rd Amendment, or D. 44th Amendment. Right answer is B. 42nd Amendment. Your question is, in the preamble of Constitution adopted on 26 November 1949, which word or words was or were not present? First, socialist; second, integrity; third, secular; fourth, republic. Choose the correct answer by following code. Your options are A. 1, 2 and 3, B. 2, 3 and 4, C. 1, 2 and 4, or D. 3 and 4. Your answer is A. 1, 2 and 3, socialist, integrity and secular. Your question is, the term socialist was added in the preamble by the. Your options are A. 42nd Amendment, B. 44th Amendment, C. 52nd Amendment, or D. none of the above. Right answer is A. 42nd Amendment. Your question is, the preamble of the Constitution was amended by. Your options are A. 17th Amendment, B. 24th Amendment, C. 42nd Amendment, or D. 44th Amendment. Right answer is C. 42nd Amendment. Your question is, which one of the following words was not included in the preamble of the Indian Constitution in 1975? Your options are A. Fraternity, B. Sovereign, C. Equality, or D. Integrity. Right answer is D. Integrity. Your question is, which one of the following describes India as a secular state? Your options are A. Fundamental rights, B. Preamble to the Constitution, C. Ninth Schedule, or D. Directive Principles. Right answer is B. Preamble to the Constitution. Your question is, which of the following words have been included to the preamble by the 42nd Amendment? First, socialist, second, Gram Swaraj, third, secular, fourth, sovereign. Select the correct answer by using the code given below. Code 123, B 1 and 3, C 124, or D 234. Right answer is B 1 and 3, socialist and secular. Your question is, in which form is India declared in the preamble of Indian Constitution? Your options are A. A sovereign democratic republic, B. A socialist democratic republic, C. A sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, or D. None of these. Right answer is C. A sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Your question is, consider the following words: A. Socialist, B. Democratic, C. Sovereign, D. Secular. Choose the correct sequence of words as given in the preamble. Your options are C, A, D and B, B, C, D, A and B, C, C, D, B and A, or D, D, A, C and B. Right answer is A, C, A, D and B. Sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic. Your question is, which of the following words is not mentioned in the preamble of the Constitution of India? Your options are A. Sovereign, B. Democratic, C. Secular, or D. Federal. Right answer is D. Federal. Your question is, by which name or names is our country mentioned in the Constitution? Your options are A. Bharat and India, B. Bharat only, C. Hindustan and India, or D. Bharat, Hindustan and India. Right answer is A. Bharat and India. Your question is, the words secular and socialist were added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution by the. Your options are A. 39th Amendment, B. 41st Amendment, C. 42nd Amendment, or D. 44th Amendment. Right answer is C. 42nd Amendment. Your question is, what was the exact constitutional status of India on 26th January 1950? Your options are A. A democratic republic, B. A sovereign democratic republic, C. A sovereign secular democratic republic, or D. A sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. Right answer is B. A sovereign democratic republic.